This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making safety the priority. Kill power at the service panel and the unit disconnect, then verify 0 volts with a meter. Once done, remove the access panel and put on gloves and eye protection. Next, locate and label the compressor terminals as common, start, and run so you avoid mistakes. These steps speed up testing and prevent damage. Make sure to keep the work area clear and your meter set for the expected ranges before proceeding. Now you measure locked rotor amps. Clamp your AC ammeter around a single supply conductor while preventing the compressor from starting or while simulating a locked rotor per manufacturer guidance. Once clamped, apply a controlled start assist or carefully use a test procedure to create the locked condition and read the peak current. This is the LRA. Make sure to capture the highest steady reading and repeat on each phase if 3-phase, because uneven values indicate internal faults or wiring issues. With readings in hand, compare the measured LRA to the compressor nameplate and service manual. A value more than about 20% higher signals a problem. If LRA is high, you may have shorted windings, low supply voltage, or a mechanically binding compressor. Each requires different corrective steps. Once satisfied, remove test leads, reassemble the access panel, and restore power. Finally, document your measurements and any repairs. This preserves troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.